Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, hill descent control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.